When it comes to handling cancelled trips, getting a refund can be a hassle. But with Navan, there's an easy and streamlined way to request refunds, making it a powerful tool for managing your travel logistics. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get refunds for cancelled trips in Navan, while also explaining why this software can save you time and money in the process. Now, you might be wondering how this works with Navan. The platform lets you manage your travel bookings, whether it's flights, hotels, or transportation, and handle all of this in one central location. If a trip gets cancelled, Navan makes the process of filing a refund request simple by connecting you directly with the travel providers. You don't have to go through lengthy customer service calls or navigate through confusing websites. Navan's streamlined system handles the heavy lifting for you. One of the main features that make Navan stand out is its integration with multiple travel providers and airlines. Instead of dealing with each airline or hotel separately, you can go through Navan's platform and initiate the refund process from there. If you're a business, this can be especially helpful when you need to manage cancellations across multiple employees, ensuring the process is smooth and efficient. To start the refund process, just log into your Navan account, go to your bookings, and select the trip that's been cancelled. From there, you'll be guided to the next steps, which include contacting the provider and submitting any required documentation. You'll also be able to track the status of your refund request, so you know exactly where things stand. This eliminates a lot of the frustration involved with traditional refund requests, allowing you to focus on other things. The beauty of Navan's system is that it's not just about refunds. It's about making your entire travel management process easier. If you're managing multiple trips or have frequent cancellations, Navan helps you save time by keeping everything in one place, preventing confusion and offering quick resolution. Whether you're an individual or part of a business, Navan provides all the tools you need to get refunds for cancelled trips in a hassle-free manner. And the best part, you can try the software for completely free through the first link in the description below. If you're new to Navan, this is a great opportunity to experience its features with our exclusive bonuses and an extended trial period. By the way, if you're sticking around to the end, I've got a special offer you won't want to miss. Navan's extended free trial is available for a limited time, so make sure to grab it through the link below while you can. Navan can really simplify your trip management, and by using it to get refunds for cancelled trips, you're giving yourself one less thing to worry about during travel disruptions. If you're ready to get started with Navan and make managing your travel more efficient, don't wait. Check out the link below to access your exclusive trial and start saving time and money today.